Hi guys, my name is Funn Tripathi. Welcome to my channel Junior English Fun. दोस्तों आज की वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक है प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। दोस्तों वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना। अब मैं ले चलता हूँ आपको अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। दोस्तों मैं आ गया हूँ अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। In today's video, we will learn present continuous tense. It tells us about an action happening right now. It shows that the action is still going on and not finished yet. Present continuous rules. Subject plus is, am, are plus verb plus ing. I के साथ am यूज होता है. He, she, it नेम्स के साथ is यूज होता है. You भी they के साथ are यूज होता है. Add ing to the action word. When we see something happening live, we use present continuous tense. Example, I am eating or I am eating right now. She is playing or she is playing right now. Some sentences on present continuous tense. First sentence is I am eating food. She is playing in the park. He is doing homework. They are watching TV. We are reading a book. You are writing a letter. It is raining outside. The baby is sleeping. Mom is cooking food. Dad is driving the car. I am brushing my teeth. She is drinking water. He is cleaning his room. They are dancing happily. We are playing cricket. You are learning English. The dog is barking. The birds are singing. I am drawing a picture. She is reading a story. He is washing his hands. They are eating ice cream. We are walking to school. You are helping your friend. The cat is drinking milk. The teacher is teaching. I am listening to music. She is watering the plants. He is finishing his toy. They are shouting loudly. We are painting the wall. You are waving at me. The kids are jumping. The girl is smiling. I am opening the door. She is closing the window. He is combing his hair. They are waiting for the bus. We are building a sandcastle. You are calling your mom. The sun is shining. The students are reading. I am packing my bag. She is wearing her shoes. He is feeding the dog. They are playing with toys. We are singing a song. You are washing the dishes. The boy is running fast. The girl is writing notes. I am looking at the sky. She is shopping for clothes. He is riding a bicycle. They are preparing lunch. We are cleaning the house. You are playing a game. The baby is crying. The children are studying. I am switching on the fan. She is switching off the light. He is opening his book. They are eating breakfast. We are talking to each other. You are reading a message. The bus is coming. The kids are making noise. I am waiting for my friend. She is playing with her doll. He is checking his phone. They are learning new words. Thank you, friends. If you like this video, so like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye, friends.